Prestige Plaza is in the hands of your local influencers. If you've been along Ngong Road, you've noticed an extreme revamp both interior and exterior, and today the menu is being put to the test and I am on the jury. We have a variety of cuisines, elevated Swahili dishes, Indian, Chinese, and pairings we never knew existed. Honest reviews and comments, and we're not leaving until we find a winner. And let me know, what cuisine do you think took the trophy home?
So today I'm excited. I think about the food and for the activities. To eat. And for the games. Ile video inakwenda?
Mimi nimepata kitu. Huh? Oh, it's the other side. So mimi nafaa kushika hii. My left hand.
You're about to sample my tandoori masala wings. Okay? It goes very well with this garlic sauce. Huh? The other sauces are for other things, so don't even try. Okay?
Well, I wish it was fire, but I like it.
Maru bhajia. It's got cilantro, gram flour, chickpea flour, and everything cooked to perfection.
Guys, this is the... I've just taken... This is the chicken nuggets over the first chicken wings. This is much better for me. Love it. This might not be the bedroom, but I'm love you, Jenny. This is mboga. I think kuna nyama hapa ndani, so if you're vegetarian or vegan, this is for you. For me, I don't like it that much because I love having meat in spring rolls or something meaty. But it's nice. I like the crunch of the outside. I just wish it had meat. Love the sauce. Love the sauce. Pasta wasta. Let's taste this. It looks creamy. Okay. I like the flavor, but I wish there was pepper and more salt. But it's nice. It's not much. That's a good thing. I'll give it a 7 on the higher side, but more pepper. Feel me, girl. It's thin, but it's nice. Let me put the sauce. I love the chicken. Chicken masala. I love this. I think out of all the dishes I've had that have stew, this is my favorite. This is 10 over 10, honestly. I love the flavors. The stew is very, very nice and thick. Chanyo nyama.
Hata tumkule. Iko atalita continental.
So full. Right now we have the fries, normal, and chicken. This one here. I don't know what it is, but I'm so full. It's good. I think this is like the English or the American menu. That's good.
Then we new.
Fried well. Sorry, I can't finish my whatever. But this is the quarter chicken and fries. So I gave a review too. It looks beautiful on the plate. So I love it. I love it. I'm so full, you guys. I can't eat any more food. And then like two more whatever stuffings coming in. I don't think I can do this. So if I don't finish, I'm going to give you guys a review at home. So it won't look as aesthetic as now, but the review will still be as genuine as it can be. Okay. Lakini where you guys please pray for me. I'm really going through it, and it's cold and we're outside and I'm tired and I want to go home and sleep. Oh, they were ranking the chefs, like the top 3 chefs. I loved the Indian food, as I told you guys, and I'm so happy that Indian won.